How to add screen record on iPhone. With just a few clicks, you can record game scenes on your iPhone, save your favorite YouTube videos, and even make tutorials for your friends. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a screen record button on an iPhone so that you can easily record anything. All iPhones with iOS 11 or later have a built-in screen recording function. But before learning how to screen record on an iPhone, check to see if the screen record button is in the control center. If it's not, be sure to add it. Doing so will make it easier and faster to start recording. Open your phone's control center menu by swiping down from the top right corner or swiping up. Look for the screen record button, which looks like a dot with a circle around it. If you don't see it, tap Settings. Now tap Control Center. Scroll down to the More Controls menu and find the screen recording option. Tap the green plus symbol to the left of the text. The feature will jump to the included controls menu above. You can remove the screen record button from your control center at any time by returning to this screen and tapping the red minus button. Now you have added the screen record button. If you stayed until the end, please show your appreciation by liking the video. Also leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more tech videos. Have a great day.